how to create a website using Websim AI. Head over to websim.ai and then click on this search page right here. So let's head over and then create in here a photography website. Then send it to them, and actually it uses Sonnet 3.5, so you can head over and then make sure that this is actually legit and reliable. Now this will load right here in order to show you this. So as you can see, in just 10 seconds or less, it has created a website for me. Now you can head over and then just edit it out according to your liking. So this is actually my website, which is a photography website. You can see it right here. When you click on them, it's actually interactive and you can see some things that it features in here as well. You can see the home page, the explore page, the upload page, and a lot more. So we have now created this. Now when you click on this link on your last creation, you will be redirected to your actual page right here. And when you copy this and then head over to the next URL, you should be able to see its actual website, but it will take some time for this to actually reload. So that's how you create a website using Websim AI. Hope it helped.